Fire alarm went off.
Okay, bye.
Just make sure to like and subscribe, please.